Welcome to GG Dynamics. The 2026 Audi S8, the brand's flagship vehicle, is an incredibly opulent, performance-oriented vehicle, drivetrain and overall performance, powered by a twin-turbo V8 engine with 580 horsepower, approximately 4.0 liters of displacement, and potentially some hybrid support. It generates about 800 Newton-meters of torque for seamless acceleration. With a wider track, an aggressive front fascia, a quattrospec grille, matrix LED headlights, and quad exhaust tips, the exterior will have a more angular and athletic appearance, taking inspiration from the current A8 and S8 designs. Early evaluations have praised the car's remarkable performance, claiming that it has a throaty V8 sound and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. This car's reputation as a luxury performance icon is further cemented by its sophisticated styling and strong rear stance. Technology and interior design. It is anticipated that the cabin will be luxurious, featuring premium leather, open-pore wood trim, and adjustable ambient lighting. The high-end technology includes a curved MMI touchscreen cluster in addition to a passenger display, a full suite of driving aid functions, and an augmented reality head-up display are also expected. Comfortable back seats and an optional executive package make it suited for escorted luxury. Maintaining the chassis. This car is built on the most recent MLB platform, which is similar to the A8. It features air suspension, all-wheel steering, dynamic all-wheel drive, quattro with torque vectoring, and active anti-roll control, all of which contribute to a smooth and quick ride. Pricing and the time of product launch. The starting price should be between $130,000 to $140,000 US, placing it halfway between the BMW M760 throaty and the Mercedes-AMG S63. The debut is anticipated to take place in the second half of 2025 for the 2026 model year. Advantages and disadvantages. Having supercar-level power without sacrificing subtle design, excessive prices for products and services, elegant interior with cutting-edge machinery. It is probably going to have high gas mileage and maintenance costs. A combination of comfort and performance for daily driving. The average rate of depreciation for large, costly vehicles. The choice, the Audi S8 2026, will undoubtedly be the ultimate sleeper. A premium sedan with performance comparable to a supercar, yet with understated elegance. Because it blends cutting-edge technology, a strong V8 engine, and an innovative chassis, it is great for folks who desire power without flash.